What up, YouTube? It's September 17th. It's 11 o'clock at night, and we've got a chance of rain and thunderstorms over the next 2 days. So, thought I'd go ahead and address that now. We've had high temperatures. We've had, basically high temperatures. We were doing good for a while, the 70s, and lately this whole week is going to be almost 90 degrees. We got to take control of that, but also it's going to rain. This is the end of week 6, if I'm correct. Beginning of week 7. The reason I'm pointing at the sky is you really can't see anything out here. But since we did get the rain, if you see my previous videos, I put up this entrapment again because it worked the first time. I'm going to keep doing it until I harvest. Basically the umbrella with an upside down patio table to act as a base, a bunch of bricks to hold it down, make sure that, if the wind blows hard enough, there's enough weight on there that it won't blow onto the plants. Like I said, you can't see, but I'll show you inside with my night vision cameras. Got my do not touch, and this over here. See, the neighbor has that light. For some reason, I believe that might affect the yield, but everything else is dark. Everything else is super dark except that light. Not complaining. So now I'm under the plants. See, I got this tarp on top. You guys can't see anything, but they're covered. We're ready for this rain. That's all I need. See the sky, you can see the sky, but this camera is garbage. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you inside. Oh, you could kind of see the tarp right here coming down like I did before. So I'm gonna pause this and then just show you inside. All right, guys. Sorry for that. But these are my cameras. This is my backyard grow. Let's see if I can. All right, there we go. So this is what I did. Once again, the umbrella is covering most of it. This is covering that plant, and I put this piece with a jumper cable or jumper rope, whatever, I don't know, a bungee cord, sorry. I put a chair over there and I leaned it that way so it could be under the tarp. So basically, again, just this part is going to be affected. This is all under the umbrella canopy, and this one is all under this one. There is a tear, so we might have more water at the top cola, but I'm not really worried about that. My third plant I put under the garage here. And yeah, we're ready for this rain. We're ready. And this was my do not touch sign. Like I said, it was too dark to see, but night vision catches everything. And also, I want to show you my dog. She's amazing. She's just a little slow, but she's great. Same place I got these seeds from in Mexico. That's where she came from. We actually brought her over to the United States. So. Alright guys, that's my setup. At the beginning of week 7, I'm trying to do my best, and I'm not trying to get any mold or risk anything at this time because I sacrificed too much. So, there we go. You can see the buds on there. You can see the broken cola that I bent trying to put a umbrella, but see, now it's covered. I made sure it was covered. These buds over here, I had to put them under the table, that way they didn't suffer any breakages. Hopefully it didn't break, but if it did, it did. 2 weeks left to go, or 3. So I'm ready for it. These 8-foot monsters, I hope they yield something. So I'm going to cover them up from the sun for the next until Wednesday, which is 4 days from now. And then after that, temperatures go back to mid 60s, 70s, and nighttime temperatures go back down to mid 50s, according to the weather report. So I'm on top of it. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how this holds up against these thunderstorms, and get back to you. All right, YouTube. Till next time. Peace out.